We are Legno, derived from the Italian word for wood. Legno was founded and established in 2009 by Mr. Sreenivasulu Reddy with a vision to manufacture complete, integrated, world-class doors and interior solutions. Legno's state-of-the-art manufacturing unit is spread across 5 acres with an industrial shed area of 60,000 square feet with over 120 highly skilled workforce. Our imported machines from Germany, Italy and Austria are driven by innovation and are designed to perform with high precision. Quality and consistency have been our driving forces for over 10 years. We at Legno make engineered doors, flush doors, solid doors, skin doors, molded doors, natural wood veneer doors, laminated doors, modular kitchens, exquisite bedrooms, TV cabinets, wide range of wardrobes, furniture and a complete range of interiors for homes, hotels and offices with the highest quality certified raw materials, innovative designs and best-in-class finishes. We have a new product line that includes metal works, signage works, system aluminium doors and windows, mild steel and stainless steel works and facade work, all on turnkey basis. We are constantly innovating to cater to the growing market by venturing into new business verticals that include school interiors and furniture, boutique hotel interiors, hospitals, interiors for medical colleges, office furniture, co-living spaces and co-working office. We have supplied to some of the top projects in the country. We believe technology drives innovation, and today we are all ready to create waves in the global market with our strong sense of aesthetics, design and creativity. One name that stands for trust, Legno, now opens a whole new lifestyle for you.